In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Ghibli-style image. First, open your chat. This is where everything happens. You don't need anything fancy, just the conversation window. Once you're there, simply tell the assistant what you want by asking it to create a Ghibli-inspired image for you. Keep it straightforward, like, please generate a Ghibli-inspired image. That single request gets the process started and signals the assistant that you're aiming for that whimsical, hand-painted look associated with classic animated films. Next, the assistant will reply and ask for your prompt. A prompt is just your description of the image you have in mind. Think of it as painting a picture with words. The clearer you are, the more likely you'll get a result that matches your vision. When you write your prompt, describe the subject, setting, mood, and visual details that embody the Ghibli feel, without referencing any protected characters. You might include elements like lush greenery, cozy village streets, soft lighting, and a gentle, dreamlike atmosphere. Focus on what makes the scene feel alive. Mention the time of day, the weather, and the emotion you want the image to convey. If you're imagining a quiet moment, say that. If you want a breezy, adventurous mood, include that too. It can help to specify color tone, warm golden light, cool misty blues, or fresh spring greens, as well as textures like watercolor, pastel, or painterly brushstrokes. You can also describe the perspective, such as a wide landscape view or a close, character-focused shot. If it helps, you might say something like, a small cottage nestled at the edge of an emerald forest, winding stone path, wildflowers in bloom, soft afternoon sunlight, gentle breeze, painterly textures, and a calm, storybook feel. When your prompt is ready, post it in the chat and wait. That's all you need to do. Give the assistant a moment to process your description. While you wait, don't worry about adding extra messages. Your clear prompt is doing the work for you. If your scene is detailed, it may take a bit longer, so be patient. And that's it. You went to the chat, asked for a Ghibli-inspired image, described exactly what you wanted, and then waited while the assistant brought your idea to life. Keep your prompts descriptive, avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information, and lean into the cozy, nature-rich, cinematic vibe that defines the look you love. Enjoy creating your own Ghibli-inspired scene.